In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute the send message sound on WhatsApp for iPhone. So open up WhatsApp on your iPhone. So just go to your WhatsApp, open up WhatsApp on your iPhone. Once you're on your WhatsApp here, tap on the settings icon, which is on your bottom right. Click on the settings icon. Once you're on the settings here, scroll down and go to notifications. So click on notification. Tap on notifications, and from the notification option here, scroll down and you get to in-app notifications here. So click on in-app notifications, and then from here what you're going to do is you have these sounds option here. So we go to turn this off. To turn this off, just tap on this switch and turn it off. So tap on it and you'll turn it off. So if you tap on it again, it will turn on, but we just want to tap on it and turn it off. So make sure this is turned off. So once this is turned off, and if you now go back to a message, and if you send any message, you'll see that the sound now no longer comes. And there you go, that's it. So it has been turned off, and that's basically pretty much it is.